guys, we've got a sensational spec of Aventador SV Roadster behind us. Now, you might see by the tips, it's got the 2 center tips. That is indicative of this car having the factory Lamborghini race exhaust. It's a factory option for these cars, and this car has it. The car's got the factory downpipes. We figured we'd showcase the true Valvetronic experience. This is a car from the factory. No other modifications, no downpipes, bone stock car. We're gonna show you guys how this car sounds, then we're gonna bring it back to our shop, unbox our F1 exhaust package for this with equal length downpipes and a crazy rear section you guys are gonna love. We're gonna put that on with our Lamborghini certified technicians. We're gonna install that, and then we're gonna come back here and showcase the difference between the stock Lamborghini race exhaust versus the true F1 experience from Valvetronic Designs. Let's get to it. SV Roadster, full exhaust. Enjoy. Best sounding SV, here we go. The echo. An Aventador SV can sound. Everybody lusts over the Gentani SVJs, but the SVs and the regular LP700s don't get the same love. One of the reasons for that is you don't get the shift pops, but with an exhaust like this, you don't need any of that. Again, this car is bone stock besides having our exhaust setup. So that's free flow race pipes and the catback system. If you're looking to get the ultimate exhaust configuration for your Aventador, have the flexibility, but also have the best true F1 sound, there is only one place to find it, here at Valvetronic Designs. Cam, come into frame here. Now this is very important because to tie this all together, we obviously understand this is a very rare, very expensive car. First over, thank you for letting me drive your car. Yeah. The second thing is hopefully he can still hear me even though he has earplugs. Cam's been talking about owning this car for over 6 months, and he's told me, he said, Austin, when I get it, I want the best exhaust in the world, and that's exactly what he's got. So thanks to him for bringing the car. Thanks to the team for designing, engineering, and developing this incredible system, and we'll catch you guys in the next V12 sound improvement video. I'm excited. Maybe it'll be a night shoot with this car. Who can say for sure?